Welcome to my home office class and meet my Purdue boiler cat, Annie, who is my stats cat and faculty feline, and whose birthday is coming up at the time of this recording. Now that we're into halfway through our semester, let me go ahead and spill that boba tea for our fellow Boilermakers. So, the purpose of having due dates and APA style and writing mechanics for our grading criteria doesn't discount the subject content matter that we cover in our course on communication and leadership, but it's actually doing you a favor, a service of helping you in the long run. There is integrity in submitting work that you can be proud of based on research that you've done on your own, gathering sources, being able to give credit where credit is due, and attribute that information to our course lessons and the other references that you gathered. I strongly encourage you to maintain that momentum and finish our term together strong. And of course, I'm always here for you with any concerns that you have school related, and I'll always be understanding of your situations as long as you do the courtesy of giving me the heads up ahead of time before an assignment is due. That way we can take care of the issues that you may have with meeting deadlines, and I can help you succeed. But I'm only an email or a DM or a chat, Google Meet away. And in the meantime, I look forward to seeing y'all in seminar, and be safe. I send you good vibes from my Purdue boiler cats. Happy strong finish to our semester.